Hello and welcome to the Hilton Doubletree Resort, formerly Springmaid Resort, in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to do a room tour to show you guys and gals what these rooms at the Doubletree have to offer. Not only are they oceanfront, but they're also pier front. But the highlight of this room, as all of you are probably thinking, is the oceanfront nature that oversees the pier. So here's a map of the resort. There's multiple buildings, multiple amenities. Where I just pointed is where this room exists. Also, they give you a fresh baked cookie when you check in, and it was a good cookie. That's a pro in my book. So here's the view you're going to get from this room. There is the new Springmaid Pier. As I pan over, there is a lazy river, a kid's pool, and underneath that building in the middle is an indoor pool. These are just a few of the pools. There's many pools on this resort. I believe there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 5 or something pools. There's a whole other section to this resort. There's a lot to offer. They have a restaurant, they have a pool bar, all sorts of good stuff. Let's go into the room and take a peek at what it has to offer. Standard stuff here. You've got your microwave, which seems to be clean, which not everything in the room is clean, but you'll see later. We've got a coffee machine, standard stuff. We also have a refrigerator that's clean and some extra storage space, cabinet and a drawer. Also 3 pull-out drawers under the TV, so a little bit of space to keep your stuff, and 2 complimentary waters. I will say that this stay was during the active coronavirus restraints in the city of Myrtle Beach, so masks had to be worn. Things are cleaned repeatedly, so just keep that in mind as we go about this video. Notice that the sink for washing your hands and doing your stuff, your makeup and whatnot, is actually out next to the bed. The bathroom does not have a sink within it. It's just the toilet shower, so your sink is outside of the bathroom. So we all have devices that we need to charge when we're on vacation. So whenever I go to a hotel, I'm looking for USB plugs. Now, usually the alarm clock has a few. This one only had 1. So if you're on vacation, especially if you're a family of 3 or 4 and you've got a bunch of devices, bring your USB adapters to this hotel because there's only 1. From the resort, there are multiple walkways to access the beach from. There's also a nice sandy walking path that runs parallel to the beach from one side of the resort to the other. Now, there were a few negatives to this room. There was some stains on one of the beds, on the linens, so I figured we would document that and show that to you guys, just to keep you in the loop and let you know what we encountered while in this room. Also in the bathroom, there's a little bit of mold on the ceiling and some water stains. And we've got the standard air conditioning unit in the window. So, the Hilton Doubletree Resort in Myrtle Beach. Oceanfront, right in front of the spring-made pier. Let me know what you thought about this video. Comment down below. Was this helpful? Are there other resorts in the area you're curious about? Because I may or may not have a video down in the playlist found in the description below, along with all the other Myrtle Beach stuff. So everybody, until next time, stay safe, have a good time in Myrtle Beach, and take it easy.